you can combine a movement with the breath. Yeah, it's very natural. If I do this, it's like a inhaling, maybe. And this could be one outhale. I could even try to have a tension in my arms that makes my breath move. I can, yeah, now I create the breath with my hands. And in eurythmy, we try that the breath, we want to have an effect on the breath. That's very important. But we want to have that the breath moves free. If the breath wants to just fit into, says, yes, I want to do it with one movement, and then do it this way, it's okay. But after a while, maybe the breath just wants to make two movements on one bow and react differently on the other one. So I do not bind breath and movement, but they are still interconnected, but in a free way. Like if you have a music, you have the bass and the melody plays on it. Maybe that's the first answer. We can go deeper into it next time, perhaps, if you want to do that.